Good morning, guys. Good morning, garden. Today, I will install a lawn separator in the flower bed behind the house. I am not a big fan of plastic in the garden, but I am losing the battle with the weeds and the lawn is constantly moving into the flower bed, so I bought these lawn separators. So these rolls are 6 meter long, that's around 20 feet. Okay, so this is how the flower bed currently looks like. The edges are messy, you don't know where the garden bed starts and the lawn ends. So this is a little spoiler of how the install separator looks like. So you can see the two zones here clearly separated. We have the flower bed and we have the lawn. So the first thing I need to do is to outline the edges of the flower bed with a shovel, leaving enough space to install the separator. Here you can see the new edge I created with the shovel. This is where I will add the separators. So the plastic will be 10 centimeters, that's around 4 inches deep in the ground, so it prevents the roots of the lawn from moving into the flower bed. After adding it, make sure to push the soil back so it keeps the separators in place. So when it comes to lawn mowing, I usually cut the grass 5 centimeters tall, so I try to leave only 2 or 3 centimeters of the separator on the surface of the ground. This will I will be able to go over with the lawn mower and it will be a lot easier than before. So the first piece is installed. It looks really tidy. I'm so happy. Just imagine after finishing the whole flower bed. I also have a video showing how I created this flower bed. If you want to check it out, I will link it in the description below. If you have a specific project in your mind that you want to see, let me know in the comment section below. The second piece of the separator is too long, so I have to cut it. I just mark where it needs to end and cut it with my gardening scissors. Now it's done. I just need to place the ends into the ground and that's it! So when I added the edges, I also reshaped the flower bed a little bit and had to move a few hook areas and arm areas around, but it is finally done! Look how tidy the flower bed looks like now. I love it. Now I can't wait for spring to come. Get out the lawnmower and just cut the grass for the first time. The grass will cover most of the separator and the lawn will have nicely defined edges. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching, have a great day and see you in the next one.